Hello everyone and welcome to another short feature highlight video. Today we're going to be talking about some new enhancements that we have made to the alerting and notification functionality within Memfault. So everyone will probably be familiar with the alerting functionality within Memfault. It's supposed to help you automate some of the monitoring of your fleet so you don't have to be constantly looking at charts and dashboards to feel like you're on top of everything happening within your fleet. The enhancements we've made include the addition of configurable incident start and end delays, which we'll talk about more in a minute, the ability to decide at which stages of an incident you would like your team to receive a notification, and increase control over the scheduling of incident summary notifications. Ultimately, what we're trying to achieve here is reducing noise, but without sacrificing visibility, giving users much greater control over the notification and alerting behaviors. So I'm in the platform now looking at the alerting screen, and I can see that I have several alerts already set up here. I can see that many of these alerts have already triggered incidents, which of course, if I click in, I can see the specific occurrences of each of those incidents and the status of those current incidents, whether they're resolved or still alerting. In order to take advantage of the new functionality that we have added, I'm going to go in to create a new alert here. Most of this at the top will look familiar. Today, we're going to be talking specifically about device alerts because that's what these changes relate to. I can, as normal, set a metric condition, decide the scope, whether I want to limit this alert to cohorts, software versions, or something else. And then I can see the new enhancements we've made here around incident start and incident end delays. So what this allows you to do is add a custom incident start and end delay to each alerting occurrence. So what this means is if I were to set the incident start delay of an hour, my device must consistently trigger the alerting condition across that hour window for an incident to be created. And the same applies for the end delay. So if I set the end delay to an hour, my device has to consistently be outside the alerting condition for the incident to be resolved across that hour delay. So this avoids occurrences of devices spiking into an incident alert type scenario and then dropping out immediately afterwards, creating an incident and then resolving the incident within a short window of time. And ultimately, this should help reduce the noise and give users greater control over exactly the type of conditions they want to see for an incident to be created. Of course, if you don't want the delay, you don't have to have it, and you can have no delay, which is just the behavior as it is today. We have also added some additional control over the notifications for each alert. So you can decide if you want an alert when a new incident starts, when an incident is resolved, both of those, neither of them, one or the other, it's up to you. And finally, we have added some greater control over the scheduling of incident summaries. So now you can add up to 4 schedules for incident summaries throughout the day, change the time of each, and of course, apply the time zone that's most relevant for your team. Again, removing any unnecessary or unwanted incident summaries at incorrect times of the day, causing your team difficulty. Hopefully that makes sense and is useful. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team and we'd be happy to help. Otherwise, we'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you.